This one is a work from home remote job paying $25 per hour. And this one is a work from home. You don't have to leave the comfort of your home to do this job. And I'm going to be giving you every details about this job in a bit right now. But before I jump into all the details and how you can contact this company right now, if you are new to this video or to my channel right now and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the red button below right now to subscribe to this channel right now. It's not even going to cost you nothing. In less than a seconds, just click that link that you're seeing below this video right now and you're gonna just subscribe to this channel. I'm not even that bothered about the subscription right now, but you know what I'm really bothered about is that you giving this video a thumbs up right now, just liking the video, just clicking that like button, that thumbs up button right now. That's the one that really get at me so much. That's the one that if you do right now, I'm gonna love you forever, man. That's one thing I guarantee you. And also don't forget to just leave this video a comment down below this video, positive or negative. I want to be better. That's my goal. So whatever comment you leave down below is always appreciated, guys. I'm not even kidding right now. So without further ado, let's get into this video right now. So here we are right now on the website where all these job details is being listed. Fully remote, all 100% working from home job, client service representative. This is a global elite, Texas, Los Angeles, California. This is the medical, life insurance is also here. Full-time job paying $25 above per hour from this job. You can see our company has moved to 100% virtual work from home position. This position allow you to build your career around your life rather than being forced to build your life around your career. Basically, that's what they're saying. Are you looking for an enthusiastic, self-driven individual to assist existing and prospective clients within our organization? In this position, we will work with multiple clients throughout the day, providing outstanding service and product knowledge. Preferred skill, you can see all the skills that you must have to acquire this job right now. What you can expect, these are the things you can expect from this job that you're seeing right now. This is the details to contact this company that is listing this job right here. California industry business, posted just a few weeks ago right there. So let's see the company, if there's a way we can contact the company. No, you're just basically gonna contact them through the address they put down below this video. So click the link below my video right now so it can take you to the website.